Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's Design with Me, we're going to be working over in Canva designing some custom Rice Krispie Treats labels. If you're interested in the template that I use in this video, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Stay tuned. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video to the end. I hope this design with me helps inspires you to create your own custom design. If it does, and if you use the template, I would love to see your designs. You can tag me over on Instagram or over on Facebook at Hanging with the Kiddos. You can find a link to the template in the description box down below, and also the links to all the materials that you would need to assemble these in the description box down below also. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time. Bye.